In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Steam accounts from Bethesda.net account. If you've linked your Steam profile to the wrong Bethesda.net account or you simply want to separate the two, this walkthrough will guide you through the official process so everything goes smoothly. First, head to the Bethesda.net website and sign in. Make sure you are logging into the exact Bethesda.net account that's currently linked to your Steam profile. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check by opening your account menu once you are signed in and confirming you are in the right place before moving on. Using a private or incognito window can help prevent the browser from auto-filling an old session. Next, navigate to the support section. You'll usually find a support or help link in the site's header or footer. Once you are in the support center, use the search bar to look up linked accounts. Open the official article on linked accounts. It outlines the policy and points you to the correct contact options. This page is important because it centralizes the latest guidance and ensures your request is routed properly. From that article or the support area, choose the option to submit a support ticket. When you create your ticket, clearly state that you want to unlink or disconnect your Steam account from your Bethesda.net account. Keep the message concise and specific, so the agent immediately understands what you are asking for. Here is no need to include any sensitive information like password. Support will never require them. In the ticket, provide the key identifiers they need to find and verify the correct accounts. Include your Steam username or Steam ID, and your Bethesda.net account ID. If you are unsure where to find your Steam ID, open your Steam profile and copy the profile URL. The numeric ID in that link is usually what support needs. For Bethesda.net, your account ID can be found in your account or profile settings. Providing these details up front helps avoid back and forth and speeds up processing. After you submit, wait for a response from customer support. Review times can vary, so don't worry if it takes a bit. Keep an eye on your email inbox and spam folder for replies. And keep your ticket number handy. If support asks for additional verification, respond promptly so they can complete the unlinking. Once they confirm the change, sign out and back in on both platforms to ensure everything is updated. That's it. Thanks for watching.